Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change from kilometers to miles or miles to kilometers on Strava. So there right here, I'm using the app, but it's going to be the same type of process for PC or especially if you use an Android or iPhone. It's going to be the same type of process throughout. So first of all, once you get to like the home page here, the feed, this is what you're most likely going to end on when you're opening the app. You're going to want to look at the bottom of the page there where it says profile. You're going to want to click on that little toolbar down there, and then you're going to want to click on the top right hand corner where it has that little cog there. That's going to bring up the settings page. So once you're on the settings page, you want to look where it says preferences, and then just below that it'll say units of measurement. Right now it's going to have miles. If you click it one time, it's going to turn to kilometers. So if that's what you want, that's all you need to do. Go back of your profile, then you see at the bottom there it'll say like X amount of kilometers, wherever. But if you want to change to miles, click that cog again and then click it one time. That's all you need to do. Then the unit of measurement, then I'll bring up miles, and then you'll see it will change there. So that's how it's done. If that did help you out, leave a like on the video, subscribe for more videos like this, click on the screen to see more how-to videos on the Strava app and others similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.